Saksa sakan tikon dal ni tak ba video na dalo anceng chapter 3 ni metang exercise ko sakan ko takangin. Dengan anak simang na question ge menggetam ra bah question nang sungyan siawan tingen ha just kang ba ko solve kang na. Solution 3.1. The storage battery of a car has an EMF of 12 volt. If the internal resistance of the battery is 0.4 ohm, what is the maximum current that can be drawn from the battery? Answer na EMF ko na ha 12 volt. The internal resistance, the battery internal resistance ko na ha 0.4 ohm. Tingnan ko maximum current wa battery ni ko baita maximum current drawn kat naman gen uko up nang tangan mo. We have I max is equal to EMF by R. Artinya formula ko cakap lemna jeng maximum current ko nak taman kan. Yang namin ingin cuma nak sungi ohms law map sana V is equal to IR mo. 12 divided by 0.4 decimal ko remove kat yang cuma there. 4 divided by sini Imax yan ni. Imax baik tamat lah 30 ampere. Langsung conclusionnya sini naman kan. The maximum current that can be drawn from the battery is 30 ampere. Menggunakan question ko yang na. A silver wire has a resistance of 2.1 ohm at 27.5 degrees Celsius and a resistance of 2.7 ohm at 100 degrees Celsius. Determine the temperature coefficient of resistivity of silver. Sina resistance na resistance kini doa ani man ancang R1 R2 kini kan again. R1 is equal to 2.1 ohm at temperature 27.5 degrees Celsius. Ancang temperature ko T1 jadi note kan na. T1 27.5 degrees Celsius. Ancang na menggunakan resistance R2 at temperature T2. R2 berapa? 2.7 ohm at 100 degrees Celsius. We have answernya temperature coefficient of resistivity na formula kedua ni sa O alpha is equal to del R by R into but general formula session na R2 minus R1 divided by R1 into T2 minus T1. Yeah, difference resistance difference. Any resistance difference by R1 into your temperature difference. Kuma. R2 ni value bertachin 2.7 minus R1 ni value na 2.1 divided by 2.1 into T2 value jo 100 minus 27.5. 2.7 minus 2.1 beta 7 minus 1 6.2 minus 2 0 2.1 100.5 9 minus 7 2 9 minus 2 7 ini bracket macam kuih nak apa 2.1 into 72.5. Decimal ko remove ka na 6 divided by 10 21 divided by 10 into 72.5 divided by 10 6 by 10 into ancing ako multiplication na change ka ulit 10 into 10 100 nok 21 into 72.5 3 divided by 3 2 36 3 7 21 cancel kat nak jawab mo dengan sini ko finalize kau divide kau dan sini answer mat kena 0.00394 degree kan Yano ohm chim, yano ohm cancel ngonok. At sini dungku iparoknya Celsius. So Celsius sa kamoknya so degree Celsius inverse. Yan sini degree yung ganyan. Baik ko na song scientific formula ba siya naman kan? 3.94 into 10 to the power minus 3 degree Celsius inverse. Yan at sini sa doon temperature coefficient of resistivity of silver mo ya. At sini na nanging pa. Daw magban question ko niyang na. The number of density of free electrons in a copper conductor is 8.5 into 10 to the power 28 meter cube inverse. How long does an electron take to drift from one end of a wire 3 meter long to its other end? Area of cross section of the wire is 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square and it is carrying current of 3 ampere. At kung may kop na kanina. By that time nang wagi sa electron sense ya wire dong mo. Ya conductor dong copper conductor at sing na ya ni area of cross section value ko na ha. Aro density of electrons, number of density of electrons in chinot ka ko na ha. At sing ya eno ni ya gi sa eno na electron yang na by that sumay nang ko up na tanang mo. Sing na drift velocity ko daw na ha. Value dong ko section na given. And number of density of free electrons. Number of density of free electrons by talking 8.5 into 10 to the power by 28 meter cube inverse. Ano ang sinamay ko na? Length of wire LC not ka na nga ya length ara by talking joke 3 meter. Area of cross section 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. Current ko ito niya 3 ampere. Ang na formula dong mo we have drift velocity ni formula sing format na Vd is equal to V drift velocity of electron is equal to I divided by N into E into A. Maya charge of electron. I think charge of electron could be by the value 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. I by the na 3 divided by N by the 8.5 into 10 to the power 28 into ini value ko put ka po 1.6 ba final put ka ska naman gen at sing asli drift velocity ko diap nagtanang jenga drift velocity ni formula aro at sing sa formula at sing amna nang pero may time chim at sing general velocity formula ko ba isa velocity is equal to distance by time. At sing ako ba put ka ska naman gen R Vd is equal to ako sing equation 1 is equal to distance travel ka bara ya length by ta L divided by T. By ini ko at sing ka naman T is equal to L by Vd na may drift velocity. Subscription Vd at sing Vd ko ya Vd na ya equation ni ko yan ako put ka ska naman gen L divided by I N E A. At sini ko rearrange ka mo de. At sini ya kosak chance kanok N A divided by I. Tadi values rong put ka bo L ra by to na chim L ko na sing 3 meter. Density na 8.5 into 10 to the power 28 into 생각 지금까지는 작전 한번 와. 3 into 8.5 into 10 to the power 28 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 16 into kamu settingnya 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole thing divided by current 3. Anjing ya cancel no again jap mano ya gamo ko solve ka jap mano anjing ni final answer abit teman ni na 27,200 second dita time pa jing scientific notation apa sini again 2.72 into 10 to the power 4 second. So by that time nangnya na ya gesa enoni gesa drift kana electrons ada 2.72 into 10 to the power 4 second nangnya. Kalau nak bang bas session day yanon macam ha changbu nak jeng chapter 4 ko start kangen moving charges and magnetism ko. Intela.